Due to some issues on Easter morning, the crews on Florida East Coast Railway trains 208 and 202 both ended up running out of time in Fort Pierce. Due to the holiday, there is only one extra board crew available, so both trains were combined to form a single train 202 that was over 15,000 feet, or 4.5 kilometers long. The tank between the locomotives is a liquefied natural gas fuel tender. The FEC has converted its GE ES44C4 locomotives to be able to run on LNG in addition to diesel. The train is running on the first track of the new Crane Creek Bridge. The old bridge is in the process of being demolished to make way for track 2 of the new bridge. This is being done as part of the preparations for Brightline passenger rail service. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like button and subscribe. Also check out my social media pages.